What's up, everybody? It's the 1B, and we're going to do some thumbnail template adjustments for a YouTube video that I have uploaded right now. We are going to look for it. This one. Alright, so we have, what is this one for? This is a shatter creative thumbnail creation. Shatter. Jump to Premiere. Thumbnail. Let's bring that size down to 100, 275, 50. Maybe more. How about to 0? Let's just start there. Okay. And then hockey. Shatter thumbnail. Shatter creative thumbnail? Yeah, that's it. Thumbnail. I'm gonna fix that. 0. Creative. This thumbnail is maybe even a little tight. We could probably spread it out just a little bit. Maybe like 5. Maybe even a little more. 10. 50. Too much. 25. Alright with that. And changes. Creation. Spread this one out a little bit too. Let's go ahead and give it the old 100. And then this is just me being lazy. Go ahead and grab this one, hit it with the good old 100. We could even do that one a little more. About 200. Too much. I think the 150 might work. Yee. And then that shatter. We don't want that spread out too much. It's already at 100. What is this one? Yeah. Save as. Shatter. Creative. Thumbnail. Creation. Yeah, right here. I've been wanting to put dates on these. Like right here. So this was 26. 04, 26, 2020. Okay, and then we don't want them that spaced. We don't want this one that spaced. We can drop that down like this. Yeah. That 0. And first we want it to be white as well. About 10. And then white. Oh yeah, we gotta make one of those white too. Let's export. And save. Good. So the video is already uploaded. It's scheduled to go out tomorrow. Today is May 28th, so it's May 29th. It'll be out at 9 a.m. So this will be the thumbnail for it. And I am in the process of trying to catch up on these. Currently, I'm a day or two out. Obviously, I'm caught up. Like, I have a video going out tomorrow. That's what I have done. So I'm not caught up, but like I have no cushion right now, even though I have like 50, 60 videos backlogged ready to edit. Actually, it's far more than that, but those are just that are on my hard drive right now. And so I'm working on those, and basically every video that I create creates 2 new videos. So I'm in a perpetual state of just being behind on these, and that's not an excuse or anything. That's just me saying that there's content upon content upon content that I'm working on, and every version gets better. Every version gives me more ideas, and so currently what I'd like to do is just get a good chunk ahead. If I could, within the next couple weeks, get 2 to 3 months ahead, that would give me all summer long to not only keep getting ahead, but also to start doing some original content, start getting some of this more organized, so things are just better, right? So anyway, that's my video for this. It's while I'm going and setting this thumbnail up on YouTube, hopefully you'll go and check out one of my other YouTube videos, and I'll talk to everybody later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.